Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Unique Bundle. Today I'm going to tell you about what is Chat GPT. Chat GPT is a chatbot designed to assist with customer support, conversation and information gathering tasks. It uses natural languages processing and GPT-3 technology to generate responses that are tailored to the user's point. ChatGPT can handle a wide range of queries and provide answers in real time, making it a valuable tool for businesses looking to improve their customer support experience. So this is how you can use ChatGPT. So whatever you like to know, whatever you like to understand, if you stuck with something, just ask the question here, send a message, type here, whatever you like. Write me an essay about beautiful girl, and it will start writing an essay about beautiful girl. Look at that, how quick. So this is what Chat GPT is. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon of my channel, so I'll get back to you with another video. Thank you very much for watching.